Hi everyone. Today let's talk about whether COSCO Group's long-term investment value will be affected by the tariff war. Before diving into this, let's first take a look at where COSCO's revenue comes from. According to its latest 2024 annual report, container shipping accounts for roughly 96% of total revenue. Port operations make up the remaining 4%, so the vast majority of its earnings come from container shipping. Now let's break down its shipping revenue by region. Americas, Europe, and the Asia Pacific each contribute roughly 25%. Mainland China and other regions combined contributes another 25%. The distribution is relatively balanced across different regions. So will COSCO's performance be impacted by the tariff war? In the short term, possibly yes, but in the long term, likely no. In terms of short-term risks, there is a concerning possibility that some countries under US influence may form a more exclusive trade bloc, sidelining China. This could significantly reduce Chinese exports, putting pressure on COSCO's revenue across multiple regions. While most nations are still waiting to see how the situation develops, we can't rule out the possibility that some may yield to US pressure. Looking at long term, it's very difficult for any country to be completely independent of Chinese products or build self-sufficient supply chains. Here's why. First is high restructuring costs. Building factories outside China takes much longer and costs more, and many countries lack the necessary infrastructure like transport, power, and telecom to support large-scale manufacturing. Second, China is irreplaceable in some key industries. Modern production lines rely on Chinese exports like industrial robots, CNC machines, and automation equipment. Third, workforce shortage. Running modern factories efficiently requires a massive number of skilled labor force, something only China can provide at the moment. So I think China will remain a major player of global supply chain. As the leader in China's shipping and port industry, COSCO still presents good long-term investment value.